Welcome y'all to SpacyTracyNails. I'm doing a clear jelly stamper haul. Things that they've sent me. I'm really excited. I don't know exactly, but we'll see what's in here. This is just recently, and I am looking forward to doing reviews on their stuff. But if you are new here, I really appreciate you coming and watching my channel. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back again. They're in West Bank, BC. Their shipping is very quickly. You get things really quickly. And in their customer service is awesome. If there's any issues, they have no problems with making it right. Oh, looks like I've got a couple stamping plates and some really neat stamping polish. I haven't got that in a long time from them. I have a whole bunch of clear jelly stamper ones that's going to be coming up in the very near future. And I'm telling you, like, there's a whole thing that I brought with me from the old house that is underneath my desk. So we will be getting into it, but this is a newer one, so I want to make sure I get this out there. I will be doing some manis with these, but not at the moment. We have one that is ZJOY, and it is 335. I'm not sure, hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, and the other one, it looks like it is CJS 340. One of them is, oh, what do you call it? They have a name for it. I just wanted to pull it up because I know that there's a series of these that they have, which is really nice because it goes to that abstracting, which is really neat that I got that. And I just wanted to say it's the Modern Muse 2, and I do have one, but I'm not sure if it's popped into a video yet. Just, letting you know. But let's just go ahead and open it. And this one, I don't know. I think it's called, this one right here is Let's Get Wild. And it's not a 1 or a 2, so maybe they're gonna, have, they do a series quite a bit on things like their French manicures. They've done like, I think 4, and I like that. I think that's neat. Okay, now, it comes with the card, like it always does, and it has the full, like if you put them in the layers on here, the full imaging, and then here are some ideas, which is the step-by-step guide that can help you get started. And of course it has the FLEXI plastic glass thing where you can put it on your nail and see if, to plan your manis, which is really, really neat. It's very helpful, because you can kind of see if it's gonna fit. That's what I really like about it, is making sure it does that fit, if it's gonna work on that nail. So these are very helpful. Then we have the plate, and the plate is this, very musy, I guess, is what. It is got a lot of designs that would be layering, but there's also a lot of designs that are, images that you don't need it to be layered. You could just use the simple image and, make it that way as well. There's 3, 4 full imagings on here, but that just makes it so I feel when you're doing that you can actually, use these just by themselves with a design, but you can also put them together and make something too. It's a little bit difficult for me sometimes to know which one goes. The nice thing is they do have a lady that does some of the like tutorials on, I think it says that it's the original clear jelly stamper. So I think that's what she is she actually is one of their owners or something she does. It's really nice. I like to watch her to get some ideas. And of course, you know, just Google it and you can come up with some ideas. Okay, and the next one is the Get Wild. And like I said, they're kind of starting to do that a little bit. I've noticed that with some of the plates, that they have it where you get more, a series of them. You know, they make one and then they make another one. And this one has, again, it has that wonderful plexi, I guess it's plexi plastic glass thing here. And let's see, oh, there we go. And ZJS340. And I do have, like I said, the first one. I'll have to bring it, well, you'll see it. I don't know, like I said, if it came out into a haul, but I will show it eventually. Okay, it has, again, the step-by-step guide, and then it has the one that you do for getting your, you know, designs and using them in that way. But I like, when I look at the plate, if I can find, not just for the layering, but that I can use this plate for something, you know, like besides it. And in my opinion, again, that's where I like abstracting, is all I gotta do is use the one of the designs by themselves. Or you can even just take it and isolate and use just, you know, parts of the design. There is so many ways to do stamping. I just thought it was like you stamp whatever the plate is, and that's not true. It's really good to step outside the box kind of like thing and find other ways that you can use them. And that's something that I'm working on. Colors is my big deal too. I am working on that, very much so. All right, now it looks like, what did I get? Okay. It looks like, ooh, so this one is the Small Polish Kit Fairy. It's called the Mermaid Collection. And it is, ooh, look at this. This is so pretty. So they have their Facebook and their Instagram and their Twitter. I think it's X now. I don't know, you know, Twitter, X, whatever it is. There is 5 in this one, and I'm not gonna put them on any nails or anything. I just wanted to see, like, let you guys see them. I'll just kind of like pull them up and see if you can see them. So we are going to see the names on these are, they don't have names. It's AT01 is the first one. It's got a pinky shimmer. I mean, look at that. You see that pink? I can see it. It's beautiful. These are supposed to be able to stamp really easily. I went and watched one of when they had them and stuff before they were coming out. I went and looked at her thing, her using them, and they're just beautiful. This one has like a goldish yellow, I guess. See if you can see that one. Yeah, I think it's like gold yellow. And then we have the oh, I don't think if I said this one. This one is AT02. And then this one is AT04. That seems kind of 5. Oh, okay. Let's do it this way. 4 and 5. They're out of numbers. I don't know if I did that or myself. Okay, so this is AT03. We'll go in order. And then this has got like a really gold yellow shimmer to it. Look at that. That is beautiful. Almost goldish too. Oh, see, that's got a goldish pinky with it. And this is more the pinky color. I like that. That's pretty neat. This one is AT04. And it is more on the whiter side. Yeah, so this has a, I don't, greenish color is what it looks like to me. If you can see the shift in that. Now the bottles are quite small and they are on the pricier side. I do have a code if you'd like to use it. It is SpacyTracyNails, and I don't know, I think you get 10% off, but any of that, if definitely use my code. I have no problem. Hopefully that will help you out if you wanted to. These are so small. I think they're 5 mLs? I think they're at 5, but they do go quite a ways. Like you don't need a lot of this. This one is AT05, and this one has a blue tinge to it. I can see it as a blue. Let's see if we can see it. I don't know if you can see it. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, they're small, but we'll have to see how they stamp very soon. I will have to come up with some ideas on that. And then we have, this one is Prismatic Tint. It's a small kit. That one is 2575 and this one is 2525. And again, these are like the magnetic. They're nice. Very nice. See, hear that? That's very nice. If you wanted to keep them in that and clean, you know, keep them in storage them in there. Now I'm going to see if these are, okay, so this one is PT01. So this was AT ones, and that's the mermaidy ones, and this one is the, let me say this one is the prismatic. And there, so it starts with a P, I guess. PT01. And here we go. This has a pinkish color to it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, look at there. There it is. The shimmer is absolutely oh my goodness, look at that. That has a shimmer for sure, and that's pink. Hopefully that came across. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, this one is PT02. And this one is like more of a yellowish or pinkish orange. Yeah. So it's more of that on the warmer side, I guess, is what they would say. Yeah, look at that. Oh, isn't that pretty? Yeah, so it's got like an orangish color to that one. And then this one is, oh, they did it again. I don't know why they're putting a 3 over there. That's kind of strange, but okay. I don't know why they are not. Okay, now this one is PT03. And again, we have like a yellow gold on this one. And look at that. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. These are going to be so cool to use. I can't wait. Okay, this one is PT04. And it has like a bluish tinge, I guess, with a pink in it. Kind of pinky again, I guess. A lot of pinkies to it, but they're like the aurora colors. So that's very pretty. And then there's the last one on here, and this one is PT05. This is the blue. This has the blue in it. It's got the blue shimmer. Oh, look at that. That's a gorgeous color. So, all right. So there we go. We have, looks like 2 of the new, These are the stamping plate or stamping polishes. And I'm just kind of letting you guys know one more time, just so this one is the small polish kit fairy 2525 if you wanted to look it up, and this is called the Mermaid collection. In beautiful cases. Look at that. Okay, and then I just wanted to clarify this one, and this one's a small polish kit prismatic tint 2575. And there we go. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Yeah, and I can see I can actually see the tints a little bit better too if I kind of move them around. Might as well do that real fast so you can see that. Because this one I don't think it did that well, but we'll try it again. Yeah, this one looks like they're a little bit more subtle, but alright guys, so that is the clear jelly stamper, and I do have that code, like I said, is SpacyTracyNails. It helps you get a little bit of a discount, and you can keep an eye on them too. They do sales a lot, but yeah, this is some stuff that will be coming up in my videos very, very soon, hopefully. I just, like I said, trying to get through all these as fast as I can and get to doing some stuff, but we'll do some stuff in between. I'm just gonna kind of throw the hauls out in between. All right, this is SpacyTracyNails signing off.